Hello dear students, welcome to the English session. Our topic is Reach for the Top and we are going to talk about Maria Sharapova. स्क्रीन पर किसकी पिक्चर है, आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रहे हैं आप? She is Santosh Yadav, an Indian mountaineer, and she is the first woman in the world to scale Mount Everest twice. She has been awarded with India's top honor, the Padma Shri. Now let me ask you a question. Think about a personality in the field of women's sport who is an achiever and an inspiration for us all. Okay, think about a tennis star. If I talk about myself, तो मेरे दिमाग में नाम आता है Maria Sharapova का. Maria Sharapova is a Russian girl who reached the summit of women's tennis when she was just 18 years old. It was on 22nd August 2005 that Maria reached number 1 position in women's tennis, and it was just an effort of 4 years that she reached the pinnacle of success. Now when we say success, there is a journey connected to that success. How did Maria's journey begin? She was not even 10 years old when she started towards her success journey. She took a trip to Florida to get trained for tennis, and her father, Yuri, accompanied her. Now, success is one thing and challenges, problems, roadblocks are other. अब उनकी लाइफ में क्या चैलेंजेस आए, क्या मुश्किलें थी जिन्हें उनको फेस करना पड़ा? सबसे पहली बात और सबसे पहली मुश्किल क्या थी? वो थी a heart-wrenching 2-year separation from her mother, Yelena. Why? Because her mother could not accompany her to US. The reason was visa restriction. So her father went with Maria to Florida to help her get trained. Talking about this phase of her life, Maria says, I used to be so lonely. I missed my mother terribly. My father was working as much as he could to keep my tennis training going, so he couldn't see me either. अब सिचुएशन ऐसी थी कि मारिया बिल्कुल अकेली रह गई थी. उनके फादर उनके साथ नहीं रह सकते थे क्योंकि वो बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रहे थे ताकि वो एक्सपेंसेस मीट कर सके, और उनकी मदर तो उनके साथ थी ही नहीं उस समय. तो अब बात करते हैं ट्रेनिंग पर सिचुएशन कैसी थी. कुछ खास अच्छी नहीं थी. शी वॉज बीइंग बुलिड बाय हर सीनियर्स. Talking about this phase, she says, because I was so young, I used to go to bed at 8 p.m. The other tennis pupils would come in at 11 p.m. and wake me up and order me to tidy up the room and clean it. Now see the situation. She was very young. उनके सीनियर्स उन्हें बुली कर रहे थे, उनसे जबरदस्ती साफ सफाई करवा रहे थे. एक तरफ मदर फादर साथ नहीं थे, दूसरी तरफ सिचुएशन एट ट्रेनिंग वॉज ऑल्सो नॉट सो गुड, रादर इट वॉज बैड. ऐसे हालातों में कोई भी हो वो परेशान हो जाएगा, डिप्रेस हो जाएगा, उसकी हिम्मत टूट जाएगी. क्या मारिया के साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ? आइए जाने उनका क्या कहना है. Instead of letting that depress me, I became more quietly determined and mentally tough. I learned how to take care of myself. I never thought of quitting because I knew what I wanted. When you come from nothing and you have nothing, then it makes you a very hungry and determined person. I would have put up with much more humiliation and insults rather than to steadfastly pursue my dream. तो ये कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट और इंस्पिरेशनल स्पीच है मारिया की. आइए इसे जरा गौर से देखते हैं. She says that she didn't get depressed. वो डिप्रेस तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुई. Rather, क्या हुआ उनके साथ, तो उनका माइंड फ्रेम कैसा था उस समय. She became determined. She became mentally tough and she also learned to take care of herself. इतनी छोटी सी उम्र जिसमें हर छोटी छोटी चीज के लिए, पढ़ाई हो, खाना हो, सेहत हो, पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स हो, हर चीज के लिए हम अपनी मम्मा को आवाज लगाते हैं. मारिया ने क्या सीखा, अपनी केयर खुद करना सीखा. क्या उन्होंने एक बार भी सोचा कि मैं क्विट कर दूं? बिल्कुल भी नहीं. What she says here that she had nothing to lose. All she had was her dream. और उन्हें अपने ड्रीम को परस्यू करना था, इसलिए वो वहीं पर स्टेडफास्टली अपने ड्रीम को परस्यू करती रही. तो यहाँ अगर हम बात करें कि मारिया की टू सक्सेस क्या रही, तो वो कोई ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है गैस करना. सबसे पहला और मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर उनकी पर्सनालिटी का क्या था, उनकी टफनेस, जो कि आज भी मारिया में देखी जा सकती है. और यही टफनेस थी जिस वजह से शी बैग्ड द वुमेन्स सिंगल क्राउन एट विंबलडन इन 2004 एंड द वेरी नेक्स्ट ईयर शी बिकेम द वर्ल्ड नंबर 1. So with this motivational and inspirational story of Maria, we come to the end of today's session and I will leave you with the task. And the task is that you should do some research on Maria Sharapova and find out the names of the awards that she has won. So we come to the end of today's session. See you in the next session. Take care.